Meet the third grade teachers. Ms Haverman. This is Ms Haverman's first year of teaching. She was born in Annapolis, Maryland, and lived there until May of this year. Ms Haverman went to Towson University for her bachelor's and master's degrees. She loves reading, going to the beach, seafood, salt and vinegar chips, doing yoga, and cycling on her Peloton. She is a huge football fan, especially of the New England Patriots. She has two adorable nephews, Jack, who's 2, and Owen, who is 7 months. Mrs Barentine. This is Mrs Barentine's 16th year of teaching. She graduated from St. Leo University. She was vice president of St. Leo's chapter of the Kappa Delta Pi International Honor Society of Education. She was born in Zeeland, Michigan, and moved to Zephyrhills when she was 13 years old. She loves spending time with her husband, their 5 children, and 9 grandchildren. She enjoys one-tank trips, canoeing, swimming, sunsets, and watching butterflies. Mrs. Ward. This is Mrs. Ward's 15th year of teaching. She is married and has 2 sons, Samuel and Benjamin, and a golden retriever named Jack. She has a big family with 3 sisters and a brother. She loves lightning hockey, the Florida Gators, cherry Coke, polka dots, and the beach. Mrs. Ward went to Troy University and USF. Ms Whidden. This is Ms Whidden's 3rd year of teaching. She graduated from St. Leo University in 2018. Ms Whidden has lived in Zephyrhills her whole life. She loves working in the community she grew up in. Ms Whidden loves to watch sunsets, be with her friends and family, football, go Steelers, and loves donuts. Ms Whidden loves spoiling and snuggling her new nephew, Titan. Ms Tongit, or Ms T. This is Ms Tongit's 15th year of substitute teaching. She has 2 daughters, Bethany and Crystal, and 2 adopted granddaughters, Samaya, who's 8 years old, and Markenna, 3 years old. Ms Tongit has a bachelor's degree from Metropolitan State University. Ms Tongit loves reading, state parks, fishing, boating, and crafts. Mrs Jeschke. Mrs Jeschke is from New York and has lived in Florida for 19 years. Mrs Jeschke is the reading intervention teacher for grades 3, 4, and 5 and loves reading and learning with her students. Mrs Jeschke has 2 children, Courtney and Matthew. Mrs Jeschke enjoys going to the beach, exercising, traveling, and reading. This is her dog, Molly. Ms Lloyd. Ms Lloyd is from Jamaica, land of reggae, beaches, and speed. Ms Lloyd is the support facilitator for 3rd grade. Ms Lloyd has 2 children, Justin and Nathan. Ms Lloyd loves to run, preferably outdoors and especially in parks.